Samsung is getting ready for its big Galaxy Unpacked event next week. They're teasing it already. At the event, Samsung will likely show off 2 new foldable phones, 2 sets of wireless earbuds, 2 smartwatches, and a smart ring for fitness tracking. A little over a week ahead of the launch, Samsung has started hyping its upcoming products with massive Galaxy Unpacked billboards. The company has placed these giant digital advertising billboards in major markets across the world. The Galaxy Unpacked event's billboards started displaying at prominent places in cities like New York, Dubai, London, Bangkok, Warsaw, Tokyo, and Seoul. Samsung's billboards are promoting the launch of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 foldable smartphones. They're generating excitement for the event with the message, "Galaxy AI is here." The new foldable phones will showcase Galaxy AI features, which first appeared on the Galaxy S24 series earlier this year. Similar billboards will appear in more cities before the event next week. This event, just before the Paris 2024 Olympics, will likely introduce new products like the Galaxy Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro, Galaxy Watch 7, Watch Ultra, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6. If you're eager about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, you can get a sneak peek at the hardware specs now. The latest leak reveals significant upgrades for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. It will maintain a similar appearance to the Galaxy Z Flip 5 but will focus on internal improvements. According to reliable source Ishan Agarwal, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature a 6.7-inch screen, likely Dynamic AMOLED 2X with full HD plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 gigs of RAM and storage options of either 256 gigs or 512 gigs. This is an improvement from the 8 gigs RAM used in last year's Galaxy Z Flip 5. The upcoming foldable phone is rumored to have a 50-megapixel main rear camera with an f1.8 aperture, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera featuring an f2.2 aperture. It's also said to sport a 10-megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.2 aperture above its main screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is reportedly sized at 165 x 71.7 7.4 mm, making it slightly thicker than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Additionally, reports suggest the phone will run on a 4,000 mAh battery and support fast charging. Also, Evan Blass is back again. He has shared some more renders of Z Fold 6 in navy, pink, and silver shadow. Let's take a look at all the renders. This Unpacked event is expected to be one of their busiest ever. Samsung has not revealed when these new devices will go on sale, but has opened pre-reservations for them. If you are looking at picking up any of the products, you can sign up with your name and email address to get a $50 credit. You can use this $50 credit to buy the new devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Plus, Samsung will enter you into a sweepstakes contest. If you win, you'll get a huge $5,000 credit, which lets you get almost all the devices for free. New leaks are giving us a close look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Watch 7, and Buds 3. Courtesy of Evan Blass on Twitter and his Substack newsletter, new images show Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3, and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These images don't reveal much new information but provide a better view of these devices than we've seen before. Let's begin with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung's square-shaped smartwatch features orange accents on its dark gray body, including the power button. The vibrant orange band looks similar to the one Apple used to showcase the Apple Watch Ultra. There's another interesting detail about the band. Unlike previous Galaxy Watch models that used a traditional spring pin connector, the Galaxy Watch Ultra seems to have a new connector system for its bands. It looks quite similar to Apple's connector system, even down to the button on the underside of the watch that indicates the connection method is the same as Apple's. Next up is the Galaxy Watch 7, sporting a new olive green color alongside the familiar design of the Watch 6. It keeps the traditional spring pin band connector and offers colors like silver and gold-ish tones. The Watch 7 comes in silver with a white strap, all green and cream with a matching strap. Then there's the Galaxy Watch Ultra, even sportier, shown in 3 color combos: silver with a white strap, a dual-tone black and dark gray model, and a black version with an orange strap. The leak also reveals the Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro, though it's unclear which one exactly. They seem to be 2 different models based on their slightly different hardware. Both are earbuds with stems, as seen in earlier leaks. The Buds 3 appear to have an open design like Apple's regular AirPods, while the Buds 3 Pro keep silicone ear tips like other Galaxy Buds models. One thing to notice on the Watch 7 and the Buds is the use of blue and orange accents. Even though the official launch is a few weeks away, some stores are already showing the phones on their websites. These review listings give us a good idea of what the new foldable phones will look like, showing them in different colors and from different angles. According to WinFuture, an Australian store called Harvey Norman has put up product pages too early for the Fold 6 and Flip 6. These pages will likely be taken down soon, but screenshots have been captured to save the information for the future. Let's take a closer look at the listings. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 listings were found for silver, navy, and pink colors. They show different storage options and prices in Australia. But before talking about the storage options and prices, let's talk about the design first. The pictures show that the 2 new smartphones with foldable screens have a design similar to the S24 series. Their edges will be less rounded than before, with a more angular look, especially noticeable on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is updating the design to resemble the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both new foldable smartphones include an external display. However, the Flip model retains the same panel as its previous version. What's new is a more colorful casing. Samsung is introducing a yellow version of the Z Flip 6 for the first time, and the Z Fold 6 is now available in a pink version as well. Now let's talk about storage options and prices. Galaxy Z Fold 6, 256 gigs storage, 2,749 Australian dollars, about $1,820. 8 gigs RAM plus 512 gigs storage, 2,949 Australian dollars, about $1,955. 8 gigs RAM plus 1 TB storage, 3,299 Australian dollars, about $2,185. We couldn't find information about the RAM for the 256 gigs variant, and there are no listings for a larger 2 TB storage option. It's possible that the 2 TB version either doesn't exist or won't be sold in Australia. The listing doesn't provide detailed specifications, but it confirms that the phone has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front screen and Armor Aluminum on the frame and hinge cover. It also mentions that the phone weighs 239 grams. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available in silver, blue, yellow, and mint colors according to the listings. The details for the Flip were less extensive. 256 gig storage, 1,799 Australian dollars, $1,190. 512 gigs storage, 1,999 Australian dollars, about $1,325. We couldn't find information about the RAM or listings for a higher 1 TB storage option or a lower 128 gigs storage option. It's possible that these variants either don't exist or won't be sold in Australia. The Flip 6 listing, similar to the Fold 6, doesn't give detailed specifications. It confirms that the phone features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the front display and Armor Aluminum for the frame and hinge cover. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.